Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Epicure and welcome to my channel. This is the channel for Epicure consultants, for potential Epicure consultants, and even for customers, for people who want to learn more about healthy cooking at home. So just let me know, you guys, anytime if you have any questions. If you would like to contact me, I do have all of the links to my groups on Facebook. Feel free to send me a message anytime. And if you would like to sign up for Epicure, let me know, and then I can sign you up right away. If you are a customer who just simply wants to purchase some Epicure, same thing, let me know. You can go to my website, my Epicure website, and order from them. It would ship directly to your home, so easy there. Or if you would prefer to contact me to place the order for you, no problem, let me know. I do like to give something free to all of my new customers, but I can't send it to you free if you have it shipped already. So if you do want something for free, why not? Just send me a message and then I would put the order through for you on my end, and then I would add that little something for free at the same time. Plus everybody gets a free catalog. So that's always fun. So whether you are a customer, a potential Epicure consultant, if you are currently with Epicure and just sort of want to learn more, if you're on my team, I do have all of our trainings here. So just let me know if you guys need anything, and thank you so much for watching.